Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So talking about the lots of important opportunity. First is from the Google. They are hiring for customer and partner solution engineer, and that is the university graduate 2026. So if you are 2026 pass out batch, then this video is for you. Okay, and if you are 2025 too, then you can apply. So minimum qualification is bachelor degree or equivalent practical experience. You should have experience in coding using जावा सी प्लस और पाइथन एनी वन लैंग्वेज में अगर आप कोडिंग जानते हैं एंड इफ़ यू आर कंफर्टेबल देन यू शुड अप्लाई फॉर दिस एक्सपीरियंस इन एसक्यूएल एंड टेक्निकल डिजाइन दिस इज द प्लस पॉइंट फॉर यू. This is the preferred qualification and you can go through it. So this is one of the greatest opportunity and make sure to prepare your resume properly and apply for this important opportunity. So when you will click on apply, then a new window will appear and you can log in and you can create a profile and submit your resume and all the details. Coming to next from the Cognizant. So Cognizant hiring is still going on for 2025 pass out batch and last date is 18 Jan. It might be extended, but don't wait for 11th hour. If you haven't applied, then must apply. This is the good role and they are hiring for the Gen Z and salary package is 4 LPA. And you can go through the job description. I have already provided lots of important updates in the previous video. Coming to next, that is from the Amazon hiring and this is work from home. So this also I have just provided update related to the work from home Amazon. So they are hiring for ML data operation and this is the direct test. So you can directly refer to the test and you can give, and this is the greatest opportunity for all the graduates. So कोई भी graduate have either BTech means technical or non-technical, you are eligible for this Amazon hiring. So you should apply. Coming to next important opportunity, that is for the Kolkata based candidates. So if you are from Kolkata, then this is the opportunity for .NET fresher internship and Sentient Geeks are hiring for this. So duration is 6 months and based on your performance, you might get PPO. Okay, so if you have basic or good knowledge of ASP.NET or SQL Server and strong concept of OOPS, then you are eligible for this and must apply. Next friends, I want to tell you that if you are the candidate then keep applying. Okay, and if especially अगर आपके कॉलेज में बहुत कम ही कंपनी आ रहा, then I will suggest keep applying for the off campus. And if still company coming, then फिर भी आप apply करते रहें so that you will get a opportunity. Currently your target should get or grab a single opportunity and that will basically good for you. Okay, for getting such important job update you can subscribe us. I regularly post lots of job update in the YouTube channel and you can share this video among your friend. Any query feel free to ask here. I will feel very happy to help you. मिलते हैं next video में. Thank you.